this has been the quick first impression of the ROG Phone 6 Pro, which is currently the most powerful Android smartphone in the world. Asus India is back with yet another smartphone, and this time the company has brought in the most powerful Android smartphone, the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, along with the Asus ROG Phone 6. These smartphones are powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which comes with up to 18 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. So here is your first look at the ROG Phone 6 Pro, which is probably the most powerful Android smartphone of 2022. This is the white variant of the ROG Phone 6 Pro powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and this model offers 18 GB of LPDDR5 RAM along with 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Hence, you will get fast app opening times, fast game opening times, and fast and responsive user interface. Along with that, this is also world's first smartphone to feature a whopping 125Hz AMOLED display, which makes gaming pretty smooth. Similarly, the smartphone also has a triple camera setup at the back, and just like the previous Asus ROG smartphones, you can also attach third-party and first-party accessories to make it into a completely professional gaming device. As you can see, I have attached the official cooler, ROG cooler, to this ROG Phone 6 Pro, which now comes with dedicated trigger button, which will also further enhance the gaming experience on the ROG Phone 6 Pro. Just like the ROG Phone 5 and the ROG Phone 5s, the ROG Phone 6 and ROG Phone 6 Pro also have dual USB Type-C ports, one for charging and data syncing, another one is primarily for attaching first-party accessories, and it can also be used for charging. Similarly, the smartphone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which we usually don't see on high-end smartphones. The smartphone also has a stereo speaker setup, which is probably one of the loudest speaker setups on any Android smartphone. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.